Hello. Can you
Yeah,
go through your profile?
yeah, okay. Okay, hi, this is Chan Basha. I am having around 3.4 years of experience in SQL Server DBA in Tech Mahindra in Bangalore. I am supporting the client's T-Mobile Speak. It's a US-based telecom organization. We are supporting 400 plus servers, currently majority of them in production. We have log shipping and replication on the database level and always on the server level, high availability and disaster recovery. I have experience in handling all kinds of administration tasks like installation and configuration and administration tasks. Our is 24 by 7 offshore and onshore model. We regularly interact with our on-site counter daily weekly meetings. We have ServiceNow is our ticketing tool. We receive the request over the according to the priority we work on them. I regularly handle disk space issues, log file issues, and temporary fill issues, and blocking alerts and database replacement activities and login issues.
Okay.
This is a
And then how you are going to do the database refresh?
yeah. Initially, we take full backup on production database and restore in test or development environment. Before doing the restore, we can take backup of the target database for safety purpose. Also, we can script out the logins over there.
Okay. What about the users or or will you take only logins permission or like user database permissions as well? Roles, something like that.
Yeah,
Hello. Yeah.
yes.
So
In
okay.
any changes in
Are
database level,
oh,
automatically,
okay,
yeah,
understood. Uh, will you take the copy only backup or full backup?
only full backup.
I mean, are you backup plans are there for that instance or how? If you take that backup with copy only, the existing backups will get failed, right?
Yes, yes.
And then
Yeah, copy only backup is the special type of full backup also without changing the LSN number.
that's okay, ma. That's what I need. Please answer what I'm expecting from you. Okay, in the production, directly you cannot go and take the full backup. If you want to take like that, you have to use the copy only. Okay.
Yeah,
Uh, and how you are going to move the master files to some other drive? For example, you have installed the C drive. Later,
okay.
client came and asked you, I mean, they have changed their policy. So, what are the SQL Server files could? I mean, data files could be there. Okay. So,
Yeah,
especially they're asking for to move the master files to the D drive.
okay.
How you are going to do that? Is there, if you able to do that, is there any downtime required for that?
I don't,
You know, right?
yes.
Okay then. How you are going to do that for MSDB, like TempDB?
Actually, I'm not studying that type of question.
Okay, you didn't
Yeah,
got a chance to work on this kind of ML,
yeah,
right?
yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay, you work on mostly log shipping and mirroring, right?
Yeah, log shipping.
Oh, okay, can you explain me like log
Log,
shipping architecture?
yeah, yeah. Yeah, log shipping is the database level. Log shipping is transferring the transaction logs from primary server to any number of secondary servers.
Okay,
Log shipping works on the jobs. Whenever you can configuring the log shipping, by default create three jobs: backup
mm,
job and copy job and restore job. In
mm,
backup job, it will take the transaction log backups within a shared folder.
mm,
In
okay,
copy job, it will copy of the backup file is taken from primary to a secondary server.
okay,
In restore job, to restore all transactions log backup which is available on copy folder.
okay,
Some prerequisites of log shipping.
okay,
Yeah, minimum 2 instance and 2 databases.
okay,
And login should must be contained sysadmin.
okay,
Also secondary be either restore mode or standby mode.
Okay.
We can create two folders, share folder and copy folder.
Mm.
Log shipping supports only in bulk and full recovery models.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's assume that you have
Uh,
configured log shipping.
yeah.
So and you have changed to the recovery model to the bulk recovery model.
Yeah.
So
So
will log shipping work after changing recovery model from bulk full to bulk?
we reconfiguring the log shipping.
You mean to say you are going to after changing the from a recovery model, you are going to reconfigure the log shipping,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Then what is the point of like it supporting the you only just told me
Yeah.
that
I just whenever configuring the log shipping in
uh,
bulk,
uh,
you can change the same database in first you can bulk recovery model.
mhm. So no, my question is very simple.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have already configured log shipping, okay,
In bulk
and
recovery model.
uh,
Okay.
in the full recovery model only you have configured, okay.
Yes.
And in the meanwhile, somebody came to you and asked you, we are doing some bulk transactions so that log file will get increased. Okay, to avoid this, change the recovery model to the bulk. They said like that and you change that. So later you recognize that and okay, this is the log shipping. Okay, and you
Yes.
change back to the full recovery model. Will after doing these activities, okay, will log shipping works as usually or if not, what else we can do? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So you don't know the answer, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So you said that mirroring. What is the mirroring port number?
5022
Why?
022
Double two. What is the SQL Server default port number?
1433.
What is the SQL Server DAC port number?
What?
DAC
That.
dedicated administrator connection. 1433. That one is right. But this is
Yes.
1434. Okay.
Okay.
Um, like so, will you able to connect on calls?
No.
No. As of now, you didn't connect any on calls, right?
Yes. Yes.
Will you give a chance? Are you able to do that, or you need some assistance?
Okay.
Huh?
Hello.
Are you able to deal with on calls?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. Are you comfortable to work with very large databases like 16 DB? Are you okay with that?
So I.
Are you able to manage those that much of heavy databases?
Yeah. Yeah. I can handle it.
Okay. So we have Linux environment as well. So are you able to work with the Linux environment as well? So with the SQL Server as of now, you might work with Windows only, right? So in
Yeah.
an will you are you good at Linux?
No. Give me one chance. I can learn it.
Okay, you are able to run,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. Yes.
So what is the recovery model supported by the replication? You don't know that, anyone? Anything?
Yeah. No.
We didn't work on that. Okay, let's assume that you have only two instances and that you have configured the log shipping for one database. So
Yes.
how many jobs will get created?
3 jobs.
What are that?
Copy job. Backup
Mhm.
job. Copy job. Restore job.
What about monitor job?
The monitor job is just alert job only.
That is also job, right?
Yes.
My question is how many jobs got created, right? Will alert will not consider as a job?
Yes.
Yeah, it has a job, right?
We can enable. We can create the alert job. Monitor
Okay.
job.
So let's assume that. So Okay, you
Yeah.
have configured log shipping for one database and you are having 3 instance. Like another third instance is like a monitor server.
Yeah.
Now you tell me how many jobs it is going to get created, including all the jobs. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now you tell me. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. What? What?
How many
Please
jobs it
repeat
is
it.
going to create?
In log shipping.
Hmm.
Yeah. That create 4 jobs.
4 jobs. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Backup job, copy job, restore job,
Okay.
and monitor.
Okay. Now client is asking you that.
Yeah.
Okay. So he want to send a reports of log shipping databases in HTML format. Okay. For every like one day, you want to see the sync status and everything. Okay.
Okay.
So how you are going to do that?
Yeah. Go to database, go to properties. Which
Mm-hmm.
database you can log shipping configure
Mm-hmm.
and properties go to reports
Yeah.
and go to transaction log.
Mm-hmm. That
That's,
that is a one time is okay, buddy. So will
okay.
you daily log in into that every system and will you daily log into that instance and you will take the screenshot? Will you able to send that? Don't if we get another work for see for example, if we
Yeah.
have a huge time to get that to develop the code anytime, so up to time that code get developed, by the time we can use this way, manual way, log in and each
Okay.
time take the snaps and we'll send that.
Okay.
But how long we will do that? So it is not good, look good, right? To do the same task again and again. Huh?
Yes. Yes.
Then
I don't know.
you don't know.
Yes.
So when you are in shift and you get this kind of question, will you
Yeah.
write an email to this? So let's assume that customer dropped an email like that. Okay. So how you are going to reply to that client? You don't know that about thing. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
How you are going to borrow some time with the customer? Customer doesn't like know that you are this much of experience and customer always see the company.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
Tech Mahindra will always hire the good people only, so they have this kind of perception.
Okay.
Okay. So if you tell that, okay,
Okay.
okay, so it will create a bad impression on company name, right?
Yes. Yes.
Then how you are going to convince the customer and borrow some time? How you are going to write an email? You don't know, right?
Yes. Sir.
Okay. So what work you had man your company? Only this thing, database refresh, log shipping, mirroring. Hello,
Actually, I am.
I understood.
Yeah.
One tell me what is tough file?
Yeah, top file is a transaction undo file. Whenever configuring the lock shipping on standby mode, it will create a secondary instance which stores in all uncommitted data.
Okay.
Yes.
In which whenever we configure, I have configured log shipping in restoring mode. Okay.
Yeah,
So now where it is going to create the tough file?
it will create a secondary instance.
Is secondary.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Sure.
100%.
100% sure.
Then okay. So then you mean to say like tough file is going to get created when the log shipping is created in the
No, the restore mode not create, only standby mode.
month? Then what about previous answer? 100. You told 100%, right?
Yeah.
Now what happened to that 100%? Okay.
Yeah.
So now
Yeah.
you have configured the log shipping and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. So did you observe what is the syntax by the backup job of the log shipping? Hmm?
No,
No, right?
I don't. No.
Did you get any chance, or otherwise you didn't concentrate on that?
Okay.
Hmm?
I'm not concentration on syntax.
Okay. Okay. So you have configured log shipping,
Yes.
and you sometime meanwhile customer said that we are going to rename the computer names to somebody else, to something. Okay. After renaming the computer, will log
Okay.
shipping works, or you need to do any changes?
I'm not understand your question.
Okay. You have configured log shipping.
Okay.
Okay. On a system called
Okay.
Arsha. Computer
Okay.
name is called Arsha.
Okay.
Okay. And it is a default instance. Okay.
Okay.
And some Harsha has changed to the Hyderabad production to something else name. Okay.
Okay.
Like just like Hyderabad production. Okay.
Yeah.
After
Yes.
that, previously it is called like Harsha. Now it is like Hyderabad production. Will log shipping works after renaming the computer name? If not, if yes, that then fine. If not, why? If not working, what we need to do?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Yes.
Okay. So how many uh, what are the modes that we have in mirroring?
What?
Mirroring modes. Hello?
Yeah.
Mirroring modes, man.
I don't have any experience in mirroring.
You said that you worked on mirroring, right?
No. I'm not.
You didn't work, right?
Yes.
But previously you told that you worked on log shipping and mirroring.
No. I'm not working on only mirroring. Only lock shifting.
Only log shipping. But you have some knowledge, right, about mirroring. Yeah.
Yes.
So apart from that, okay, how many backups we have? What are the backup tabs that we have in SQL Server?
Yeah. Multiple types of backup is a copy of data. That is when our system crashes.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. In SQL Server, there are several types of backups. In full backup and differential backup and transaction log backup and copy only backup and tail log backup
Mm-hmm.
and other backup file and file group backups and mirror backup and also read only backup.
Mm-hmm.
In full backup is a backup of entire all database data files and log files.
Okay.
Mm. Frequently full backup is not recommended.
Mm-hmm.
Computer transactions are full backup.
Okay.
Yeah, in differential backup, after the full backup, any new transaction happening in the database, those transactions, it will take the transaction, it will collect from DCM page
Okay.
to perform the differential backup.
Mm-hmm.
We require at least one full backup.
Okay. So
In yeah,
now okay. Now you have performed like a full backup. Okay. So after full
yeah,
backup, you did some inserts or update something.
yeah, okay,
Okay. And you took the log backup. Again, you done some inserts. Again, you took the log backup.
okay,
Again, after taking the log backup, you initiated the differential backup.
yes,
Now the database got crashed.
okay.
Okay, so how many ways are there? Like you, I mean, what are the files that you are going to use to restore the database? You have
Yeah,
the backups, right?
yeah. Firstly, I will check from the recent backups availability.
Okay,
Yeah, I will restore the recent full backup with no recovery.
okay,
Yeah, followed by the recent differential backup with no recovery,
okay,
which is followed by recent subsequent log backup with the recovery.
That's okay, but I said only the one differential backup, right?
Yeah.
Then why you said that subsequent log backups? There is no log backups.
Yes.
Okay, so then whenever you create the database, how many database files will get created?
Create
Huh?
two files, MDF and LDF.
LDF, right? Okay,
Yes.
then. After that, you have created the database. After that, you added one more log file to the database.
Okay.
Okay, with the name called Chand. Okay,
Okay.
and you have removed it, saying that like I have I mean uh, something caps is missing, and then you have to give the only in the caps. You have given the
Okay.
small. Okay, so keeping
Okay.
that, you have removed that file. Okay, when you again trying to add that log file, so SQL Server is getting an error. What could be that error?
Don't know.
You don't know, right?
Yes. I'm not
Okay,
working this type of error.
you is not the answer, man. See,
Okay.
once you are completed 4 years of experience, okay,
Okay.
you will call it as a senior.
Okay.
Okay, what the seniors will do? So he will he will test the scenarios in the test
Actually.
environment. Okay, they
Okay.
will come with their conclusions. They use their previous expertise and they will do the testing and they will come. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Mhm. Okay. Okay, Chan. We have done the interview
Okay.
and we will get back to you. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.